Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by charging the case and both buds to at least half to avoid mid-setup shutdowns. Once done, open the case and remove the earphones. They usually auto-power on. If they do not, press and hold the multifunction button for 2-4 seconds. Make sure your phone or laptop has Bluetooth enabled and is discoverable. This early power and visibility step prevents connection drops and speeds pairing, so you can focus on selecting the correct JBL model name in the next step. You now select the JBL model name shown in your device's Bluetooth list. Tap it to pair. When prompted, accept pairing requests and enter passcode 0000 only if asked, because most JBLs use simple pairing. Once connected, make sure to adjust the device volume and any app-specific output settings. Some phones default to media versus call audio. Also check mono versus stereo mode and any in-app equalizer. Configuring these here ensures balance. You'll use the earphones normally now, single bud mode for calls or both for stereo music. Make sure to return them to the case between sessions so they auto-power off and recharge, which prolongs battery life. If you encounter issues, reset the buds by holding both multifunction buttons for 10 seconds until the LED flashes, then repeat pairing steps. If sound is uneven, clean contacts and reseat buds in the case. These steps fix most common JBL connectivity and audio problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.